Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to get your Twitter account back once it's been suspended. I've been asked this question a lot lately since my account was suspended before and recently got it back. I was definitely determined to get it back, being that I work very hard to get to 14K followers. We do a lot of sports video highlights and we sometimes use copyrighted music for those videos. We didn't know Twitter had a different policy than the other social media platforms like YouTube and Instagram. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So as you can see here, we're writing to let you know that we've suspended your account due to multiple copyright infringements, blah, blah, blah. You can bring your account back into good standing, etc. Retractions. The fastest, most efficient way to get the copyrighted issued is to seek retraction from the original reporter, which takes forever. And sometimes they don't even respond. So the only one that works is, which is this one, the counter notices. You can send a counter notice if we made a mistake to the reporter, blah, blah, blah. This is a request to restore your content. And see, they give you big words here: predefined legal process that requires your consent to legal jurisdiction. And while we can't offer any legal advice or guidance on whether these options are appropriate for you, we suggest you contact an attorney for any legal counsel you might need. These words were definitely discouraging to make you not want to actually do this option. But this is your only option here, is to do the counter notice. And now we're going to go back so I can show you my account so you know that it's on 0 followers, 0 following, 0 followers. And this is the second time for me. I recently got my 14K back, but now I got another retraction. So I have to submit another claim. And as you can see, I was on 0 followers, 0 following, so my account is not active. And now I'm going to take you back here when I sent them an email. When they suspend your account, of course, they send you an email, but they also give you their email address on who to contact so that you can try to get your account back, on who submitted the claim. So as you can see here, I sent an email to the person and trying to get my account back, trying to explain, and they actually sent me an email back. And basically, the issue is with Twitter, not necessarily us. So if you can see here, let's skip down. The issue here is that Twitter, unlike hundreds of other platforms, refuses to obtain licenses for the use of the music, including remixes and cover versions of songs. And it goes on further. We certainly understand any frustration you might have as a result of Twitter's decision, and we remain hopeful that Twitter will choose to join the community of hundreds of platforms around the world. We encourage you to post on licensed platforms, including Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, and SoundCloud. So these are the social media platforms that have the license. Twitter does not have that license, so that's why your accounts that are continuing to be suspended because of this, Twitter refuses to buy it. So this is Twitter's fault. So just know that we can't post any videos with copyrighted content because Twitter did not purchase the license. And that was the email. So now you need to in order to get your account back, you need to do the DMCA counter notification. As you can see here, make sure in the heading you put DMCA counter notice here. In the subject, of course, in an email, you put hello, information here. You're seeking a counter notice. Put your information there, everything that they require. Copy and paste the content that's being flagged. Put all this information that needs to go in the body of the email. I swear, penalty, etc. disabled. Make sure you use this as their email. copyright@twitter.com. The following has been removed from your account in response to the DMCA takedown. Of course, tells you that the retractions are not guaranteed and must be submitted by the original reporter. That's why I reached out to the original reporter to try to get my account back. But like I said, that's no good. If you believe the material was removed as a result of a mistake or misidentification, you may submit a counter notification. This is the only one that pretty much works. And in that body of the email, which we showed previously, you copy and paste all this information that they want. Please include the following in your counter notification: legal name, mailing address, phone number, Twitter username, and put the identification of the material that was removed. Put that in the body. 3, of course, they want the following. You got it right here. I swear under penalty of perjury all the way to remove or disbelief. And if this is not copy and pasted in the correct, or if any content is missing from this, they will let you know, send you emails back saying that the email is invalid and is missing information. And then drop down here, you also need to include this. If your address is in the United States, which it is, you copy and paste this, I consent all the way, or and such agent of such person needs to be there. That's the last part that needs to go in the body of the email. Or if you're outside of the U.S., of course, you copy the one below it. I consent, or an agent of such person. And you send all that information to copyright@twitter.com, as we said again. Copyright@twitter.com. And then once you send the email, you will get this email back. Hello, we're writing to let you know we received your DMCA counter notification in response to the takedown. We forwarded a copy of your counter notice to the compliant. So they let you know that they've sent an email to them as well. And if we don't receive your notice from the complaint with 10 business days, we'll cease withholding the material. So you have to wait 10 business days, and that's Monday through Friday, not the weekend. So it's 10 whole business days. So once 10 days is up, you should receive that email stating your account has been reactivated. We're writing to let you know we've ceased withholding the material located at, the content that they requested to take down. And then if you've already deleted the material in your counter notice, the content won't be reinstated. So your account is now active. And that is pretty much it. So you just wait 10 business days and then you shall receive your account. Like I said, if you have any questions, please comment below. If you get stuck with anything, or if there's something else that you have questions with, if it's a different topic we need to cover, please let us know in the comment section. We're here to help you. Please subscribe. Please hit the notifications so that you know what's going on and the next videos that we post in the future. So thank you for tuning in.